The morning report for the 31st of August 2009, last day of August. Now the Dow Jones fell over the weekend, down 0.4%, S&P 500 down 0.2%, the Nasdaq up 0.1%. So again, in real terms, not much movement out of the US over the weekend. The FTSE, however, did gain 0.8% to close up at 4,900, continuing its upward movement. Our market also gained 0.9% on Friday, closing just below 4,500 points. Now, we've heard some pretty positive commentary coming out of our chief economist, Michael Knox, on both the state of the economy and the state of the market. So we could expect to see the market continue to move up. I've been calling a bit of a pullback for some time now, but that may not happen. What we are seeing, or we're expecting in the next 6 months, is interest rates to stay on hold. Inflation seems to be fairly steady, and unemployment has now been advised that it won't reach the 8.5% advised by the government in the budget. However, that's only the 6-month view. The longer term view, I still expect to see interest rates rise and unemployment will move up higher from where it currently is around 5.5%. It may not reach 8.5%, but it certainly will get in the high 7s, I would expect to see. So for the short term, we should see some good gains in our market, and there's some very positive commentary coming out. In other news, the gold price is up 1.4%. The oil price is up 0.4 to close at $72 a barrel, and the Aussie dollar is sitting just above 84 US cents. In other news, we saw Origin Energy. It's moving into wind generation and certainly will produce enough electricity to power about 15,000 homes and avoid production of 100,000 metric tons of carbon each year. So it's a positive. Origin Energy is going down the green side of things. And yet Harvey Norman came out on Friday with its biggest loss we've seen since it's started floating the stock market back in 1987. We saw its reported sales down by 42% fall and full year profit of $2.4 million. This is the biggest slide since it listed it since in 1987. So although Harvey Norman came out with a pretty ordinary report, we did see the stock move higher as Jerry Harvey was confident that the economy is growing stronger. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.